Getting ready for summer is a lot easier when you have the right things around. I have listed the best 20 Amazon finds that can help you enjoy the season, whether you're spending time outdoors or just trying to stay cool. These picks are simple, useful, and great to have during the warmer months. Links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. Dokor's Ice Cube Tray. Featuring premium silicone and PP material, this BPA-free, odor-free ice cube tray is designed for durability and safety. Its TPE bottom and wider design ensure effortless ice removal without bending or twisting. Each compartment is separate, allowing easy push from bottom release. Fill with water, fruits, or beverages, cover with the lid, and freeze. Dishwasher safe for easy cleaning, this tray is a robust alternative to disposable options. Honeyera Chill Condiment Server. Equipped with a BPA-free anti-spill mat, this condiment server protects surfaces from leaks and prevents slipping. Its 80-ounce ice chamber keeps condiments chilled all day, with a side drainage plug for easy ice removal. Ideal for gatherings, it features 5 removable compartments, each holding 2.5 cups, perfect for sauces, pickles, or garnishes. Organize your salad bar or taco station efficiently with this versatile and spacious server. Philips Sparkling Water Maker. Utilizing cold water and a simple press mechanism, this sparkling water maker allows customization of carbonation levels. Its slim, stylish design fits seamlessly into any space. Compatible with standard 60-liter CO2 carbonators, it requires no electricity, making it portable for home or outdoor use. Enjoy fresh soda water or flavored fizzy drinks effortlessly with this user-friendly appliance. Choxila Watermelon Cutter Slicer. This innovative tool slices watermelon into 1.1-inch cubes effortlessly. Its sturdy handle and thick slicing lines ensure durability and ease of use. Perfect for creating fruit salads or bite-sized snacks, it's lightweight and portable, making it ideal for picnics or beach outings. Enjoy neatly cut watermelon pieces without the mess using this efficient slicer. FansExpert Mini Fridge. Featuring a detachable shelf, this mini fridge offers versatile storage for food, drinks, cosmetics, and more. It operates in both cooling and heating modes, suitable for various needs. With both AC and DC power cords, it's perfect for home or car use, making it ideal for camping or travel. The inner door rack adds extra convenience for organizing smaller items. Eurolux Cast Iron Citrus Juicer. Constructed from heavy-duty cast iron, this manual juicer ensures continuous, efficient juicing. Its dependable lever mechanism extracts more juice with less effort. Quick and simple to use, it includes a stainless steel cup for collecting juice. Removable parts are dishwasher safe, and the unit can be easily wiped clean, making it a practical addition to any kitchen. Jevi Nugget Ice Maker. Producing chewable nugget ice in just 5 to 8 minutes, this compact ice maker is perfect for quick cooling. Its space-saving design and lightweight build make it suitable for various settings. The ice shovel maximizes capacity, preventing waste and ensuring smooth operation. Operating quietly at under 40 dB and consuming only 1 kWh every 10 hours, it's both efficient and unobtrusive. SaneTech Pineapple Peeler. This tool quickly peels, cores, and slices fresh pineapple, creating perfectly shaped rings while preserving the shell for use as a bowl. Its detachable wedger makes ready-to-eat chunks effortlessly. Made from durable stainless steel with a plastic handle, it's easy to clean and dishwasher safe. Ideal for creating fresh pineapple dishes or decorative presentations. Gizmos Smoothie Blender. With a powerful 900-watt motor and 25,000 RPM speed, this blender handles dense ingredients like nuts and seeds with ease. Its stainless steel 6-blade system crushes ice and blends smoothies, juices, and more. Safety features include operation only when the cup is properly locked and non-slip silicone pads for stability. A cooling fan ensures quick heat dissipation, making it a reliable kitchen companion. HSL Gov 3 IN 1 Mini Bag Sealer. This rechargeable bag sealer features a cutter and a 3-mode flashlight, making it ideal for travel and camping. Its 1,200 mAh battery allows cordless operation, and it can be conveniently magnetized to a refrigerator or hung on hooks. Suitable for sealing various bag types, it effectively keeps food fresh. The flashlight provides up to 5 hours of illumination, adding to its versatility. Magino Neck Cooler. Regulate neck temperature instantly with innovative PCM material that changes from solid to liquid at 64 degrees Fahrenheit, storing heat and providing rapid cooling. Enjoy cool relief for 40 minutes to 2 hours, depending on the environment. The curved design fits comfortably around the neck without stressing the spine. Made from durable TPU fabric, it's tear-resistant and leak-proof. Ideal for hot weather, it freezes quickly in iced water or a freezer for extended cooling. Generic cooling towels. Experience rapid cooling with soft, breathable microfiber material that utilizes water evaporation to lower temperature. Perfect for various activities like yoga, running, or gym workouts. Each towel comes with a hanging buckle and waterproof bag for easy carrying. Machine washable and reusable, these towels are durable and maintain their cooling effect over time. Their lightweight design ensures they don't take up space, making them convenient for on-the-go cooling needs. Gizmos Super Jet Fan. Featuring 100 adjustable speed gears controlled by a scroll wheel, this handheld fan displays real-time speed on its screen. Powered by an 8,800 mAh battery, it offers 1 to 7 hours of use and recharges fully in 3 hours. The 100,000 RPM motor delivers stable, strong airflow. Includes round and square nozzles for tasks like dust removal or accelerating drying, and a fixed base compatible with tripods for versatile use. NextGen Air Duster. Equipped with a super high-speed 300,000 RPM motor, this air duster delivers over 120 meters per second wind speed and 200-gram wind pressure, effectively clearing dirt from tight spaces. Its multifunctional design makes it suitable for cleaning keyboards, cars, blinds, and even inflating items. The upgraded sliding mode allows for smooth adjustment of wind power. Compact and lightweight at 0.5 pounds, it's pocket-sized for easy portability and features an ergonomic design for comfortable use. Renfo Eye Massager. This eye massager offers 3 compression modes, 3 pressure levels, and vibration to alleviate eye strain and promote relaxation. Voice control allows hands-free operation with 18 commands. Built-in heating pads provide soothing warmth, and the device includes a storage bag for portability. Ideal for reducing eye puffiness and fatigue, it's a perfect addition to your wellness routine, offering a spa-like experience wherever you go. Gadget Geek's Portable Air Conditioner. Multiple fan speeds, a misting feature with 5 nozzles, and a large water tank offering up to 12 hours of misting. The USB-C charging port ensures versatile charging options, while the drip-proof design allows safe use around electronics. An aroma pad lets you add your favorite oils for a relaxing experience. This compact air conditioner delivers customizable cooling and misting, making it ideal for personal comfort in various settings. Kuluna Lemon Zester. High-quality performance with professional-grade fine blades, this versatile grating tool is perfect for zesting citrus fruits and grating hard cheeses, vegetables, and chocolate. Crafted from rust-resistant stainless steel, it maintains sharpness over time. The comfortable solid wood handle provides a secure grip, ensuring precision and control. This durable zester enhances your kitchen arsenal, making food preparation efficient and enjoyable. Morcor Rechargeable Waist Fan. Powerful cool air delivery with 4 adjustable speeds and a storm mode reaching up to 14600 RPM. The reassuring battery capacity offers up to 67 hours of cooling and can charge devices during emergencies. A built-in SOS light adds safety for outdoor activities. This wearable fan provides hands-free cooling, making it perfect for outdoor work, travel, and emergencies. Cuckoo Stand Food Mixer. Featuring a 6.5-quart high-capacity stainless steel bowl and a 660W high-performance motor, this mixer handles various baking tasks. The 6-speed option allows precise control, from slow stirring to fast mixing. Its tilt-head design and anti-slip base ensure safety and stability during operation. This mixer simplifies baking, making it suitable for both novice and experienced bakers. Stanley Quencher H2.0 Tumbler. Your dream tumbler with double-wall vacuum insulation keeps drinks cold, iced, or hot for hours. The advanced lid construction features a rotating cover with 3 positions, including a straw opening and a full-cover top for leak resistance. Constructed of 90% recycled BPA-free stainless steel, it's earth-friendly and durable. Dishwasher safe for easy cleaning, this tumbler is perfect for on-the-go hydration. Summer Vibes, activated. These 20 Amazon finds are your ultimate ticket to a cooler, comfier, and more fun-filled season. Whether you're heading outdoors, upgrading your backyard, or just looking to beat the heat in style, these summer-ready picks have got you covered from sunrise to sunset. Want to snag the best deals? Don't forget to check out the links in the description for the latest prices. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, share it with your fellow summer lovers, and hit that subscribe button along with the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest content, tips, and reviews.